In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Chatgpt too many requests error in just 5 minutes. Running into this error can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important, but don't worry. I'll guide you through some straightforward steps you can follow to quickly resolve this issue and get back on track. First, let's start with the most basic approach, patience. It's quite common for systems to experience temporary hiccups due to high traffic. So the very first thing you should do is simply wait for a short while, around 30 to 60 seconds. During this brief pause, the system might naturally resolve the issue without any additional intervention on your part. If waiting doesn't seem to work, the next step is to refresh your Chatgpt page. By doing this, you're essentially restarting the session, which can sometimes clear up any temporary bugs or glitches that might be causing the error. You might be surprised at how often a simple refresh can resolve the issue. Now, after you've refreshed the page, try resending your message. It's important to only attempt this once to avoid overwhelming the system with repeated requests, which might exacerbate the problem instead of solving it. Should your request continue to be unsuccessful, a useful trick is to copy the unfinished text you were working on. This will ensure that you don't lose your progress even if you need to make other adjustments. Once you've copied your text, click on plus new chat. This action opens a fresh conversation where you can paste your copied text and attempt to continue your query there. Sometimes the error might be related to issues with your internet connection, so do a quick check of your network or VPN settings. Make sure that your connection is stable and that there aren't any unexpected interruptions or changes in your network settings. Trouble with your internet could directly affect your ability to communicate with the service seamlessly. Another thing to consider is the size of the prompts you're sending. If your prompts are excessively large or complicated, try breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts. This can often help avoid the too many requests error as it places less strain on the system. If none of these solutions work, try logging out of your account and then logging back in. This step can reset your session and often solve persistent issues by clearing any lingering session data that might be causing trouble. By following these steps attentively, you'll be well on your way to resolving the too many requests error and preventing it from disrupting your tasks in the future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips and solutions. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you enjoy a smoother experience with Chatgpt.